Someone said Lewis went down. Oh shit. There's a crowd. Yeah, that's Lewis. Damn it.
I guess he was doing stoppies and went over.
Oh shit. Flip the stoppie. Stoppie?
No, not on this side. Not on that side. That's over there.
Hate making these fucking videos. So right there, that face right there, that's when I knew Lewis fucked up, like really fucked up. And if you've ridden with Lewis or know Lewis or watched the videos long enough, you kind of get a feel for the type of person rider Lewis is. Very easygoing. Guy does not get hurt. So when I saw his face right there, I knew he fucked up good. You want to keep it on you? Just stay here, wait for him to come. Broken ribs, maybe. We're gonna go to the hospital. Just take a breath. Don't move, all right? All right, I'll be behind you. I'll meet you at the hospital. If you guys don't know, Lewis and I flew out to Dallas this past weekend for SBK. That's a State Broke Crew spring break ride. So a huge group ride, like 700 people, an entire weekend of fun. We were out there with the Slow Fast crew, local Grom community out there.
Hey, I know you.
Awesome time. So this is kind of like a bittersweet video to make. Fast forward to about a 30-minute ride to the wrong hospital and then to the correct hospital, and then 7 to 8 hours in the hospital with x-rays and CAT scans. Lewis ended up with 3 broken ribs and a broken wrist. So we changed our flight to the next day out. Shout out to Alex's mom and G and Alex, of course, and Ryan and everyone else that showed up at the hospital in support of Lewis and helping us get situated for that evening. Changed our flight to the next day. Thought Lewis was doing better. On the flight home, a little bumpy, the decompression and compression. He could feel his ribs cracking, so he got sick on the plane, and as you can imagine, with 3 broken ribs, it's not what you want to be doing is getting sick. This video today is just to let you know what I'm doing to kind of support him. So he's going to be out of the game for at least 6 weeks. With that being said, he's not going to be at work during this time. So, you know, I asked myself, what can I do to help? I've seen so many GoFundMes out there for stupid causes and like people that, you know, the homeless dude that friggin' was a big scam. I'm like, you know, come on, man. I've never personally created a GoFundMe, and I feel like if there's any correct time to make a GoFundMe, this would be it. I want to obviously help him while he's down and not working. He's done countless stuff in this garage to help me, changing oil, grinding on parts, powder coating. So that's what he does for a living. He's a powder coater. He's powder coated the wheels that you see on this, well, down there on the Grom. Countless other parts. So he's not going to be able to work for at least 6 weeks. He's still got to get his wrist checked out. If he needs surgery, it could be longer than that. So I made a GoFundMe, nothing too crazy, just enough to pay some bills, pay for some food, kind of just sustain the time when he's out and not getting the income that comes in every week or every 2 weeks, whatever it is. So, you know, if you got the means, you know, it means a lot to me personally. I know it means a lot to Lewis. He doesn't even know I'm doing this, but I know it means a lot to him to not have to worry about that. He's one of those guys that just, like I said, shows up every ride, puts on a show. He's just one of those guys that's always down for something. So with all this happening, breaking ribs, broken wrists, the flight home where they're re-breaking and or re-cracking, rubbing against each other, that's verbatim what he said. Once I got him in the car, dropped him off, he still said he had an awesome time and wanted me to extend the, you know, he's already said it, but he wanted me to extend the thanks to everyone in Dallas for, you know, the hospitality and whatnot. He had an awesome weekend. Can't wait to do it next year is what he said. So he's not going anywhere. He's just going to be out of the game for a minute. So there's a link down below. If you got a couple bucks, you know, drop $5, $10, $1, whatever you have that can help him just kind of sustain while he's on bed rest, letting those ribs heal. If you ever had a rib injury, you know there's nothing you can do about it except for just rest and let them heal. I appreciate it. In the next few videos, I'll credit everyone that donates something. If you want to put a well wish or something like that, I'll make sure to get them in the videos for all the future videos, as long as that GoFundMe is going and we're reaching that goal. I do personally appreciate it. I know Lewis appreciates it as well. Can you believe this was Lewis's first flight? And on the way home, the second flight, he has to have it with broken ribs. Oh man, painful. All right, a lot of content is going to be coming out of SBK. Obviously, you're going to see Lewis having fun all the way up until the last ride. So enjoy that content. There was a lot of great stuff that came out of there, and then still some content from local. But anyway, link down below. Please check it out if you got the means. If not, if you can just shoot him a message, that'd be great too. But if you got a couple bucks, that would really help. All right, guys, we'll see you with the following video, which will be coming out tomorrow. All right.